Good evening, Cryptos and 10. All right, so what we got here? We got the market pulled up on tradingview.com. Everybody's having a good day. A little down market today. Probably going to be a down market, I think, going forward for a little bit. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's get the watch list up, and let's just go right on down the list. So here we're looking at the Cardano. Here we have the 200, the 42, and the 21-day moving average. We're below the 21, so we're still in a selling market. Definitely not a full buying. Now, what I like to do, and like I said in the intro to my channel, I left the contractor. I was a CDC at the CDC. I was a contractor for the at the maintenance, in the maintenance department there. Independent contractor, worked for a company there, and I left there after 17 years being able to trade cryptos. I started in 2018 and slowly just added to my portfolio, and with discipline and going forward. And look, it's not going to be a get rich quick. Although I think these are going to move, I think when they start moving, because we're a little bit different environment. We have a lot of banks that are coming in. We have regulation coming in through Congress, the U.S. Congress, and things like that. So they're fixing to. We have the XRP lawsuit that's going to be probably here settled within the next 2-3 months. That's been going on for almost 2 years now. So, anyways, what we got here is Cardano. And right now we're below the 21-day moving average. As you saw it just click right there. So we're going to move that over. And that's basically designating a sell right there. All right, so we're going to go to AMP. And here we have the close of the 10th. We're on the close of the 11th, and it's below. So we're going to smooth that over. All right, so we're still, there's our 200-day moving average. Now what I do is, if I get it close above, like right here, I might buy 25%, because you can buy in as it's coming down. You can still buy in little by little, and there's this thing called dollar cost averaging and things like that, and it's where you just put a little in at a time. Even in the down market, you can make money, because you're buying more coins as it continues to go down. Let's say you just say, okay, I'm going to do $50 a week. If you do $50 a week and you started up here at 3 cents in this one, and now you're at less than a half a penny. If you were putting $50 a week away, now you're going to get 4 times the coins that you would up here. All right, so that's the thing to think about too there. All right, so here we go with Elgarand. This is the ISO 222 new banking system that's coming in. Posted that before on one of the videos. Here we go. We're below the 21. We're below the 42. We've got the RSI down here on the 4 hour. It's closed below 30 again. Here it closed below 30. It came back down. We're below the 50 here, so we're just looking to hold out and sell. What I do is I set my my buy orders. Now, like I said, this is not trading advice. It's just what I do. I'm just sharing for people that want to know. So here we go with the 11th. We're going to go and we're going to sell all that. Now I don't sell everything I have. I have a long term and I have a short term. So that's just what I do. Diversify as much as we can. Things like that. Different coins, different time frames that we trade. Long term, short term. Different taxes and stuff like that for U.S. citizens and things like that. So here we got the ape coin. Alright, so there's the 11th, and you look on the 4 hour right here, we're below the 30, so we're just going to change this over to red for a sell. We're not going to be buying any of that. Now what I do, like I said, my orders are set right now at $2.37, so we're looking to sell this one right here. This is in a sell. We're just like sold all of our trading bag there. Alright, so here we got the BAT, the basic attention token. Once again, this has been below our 21 day, our 42, or 200, so we're looking to come back down on all of these. It's just what's going to happen right now. All right, so here we got one that's right around the 200-day moving average. So here was the 11th. It closed above the 200. This is the Bitcoin Diamond, Ethereum. So right now we will put that at green because it has closed above the 200. This is above 50, that's above 50, and this one's above 50. Everything's looking buy on that one. Bitcoin Cash. Here we got another down day. We got another down 41, 42, the 200-day moving average, all below those. BDAO. All right, a little unknown coin. So let's see. Anybody who knows JSNP? He's talked about BDAO before. Let's see. So here we got. We're sitting right in between the 200, the 41, and the 42. So this right here, we put this at 50%. We'd only be in at 50% right now. We don't go full in on trade until, I don't go full in until I get above the 200. So, like I said, just do your own research on these. This is just stuff that I've learned and going through. Here you got the Bitcoin. Here's the main one. You got the 200. You got a 25,000. I got an alert set for 25,000. We look back here, bounce off that 25,000, come back down, and it's come back down to 19. So it's just sitting around that time right there, and we got a strong downward pressure though. Right here, the RSI is below 30 on the 4-hour, and we're below the 50. So we're looking to probably go a little bit lower on that one. Bitcoin Gold. Here we have another 21 to 42, 200 below them all. So we're looking to have all that in the sell, and 4 hours are below the 30. So another strong selling pressure on that. Did you buy the blue coin? All right, so here we go with below the 21, 42, 200. So this here, once again, with our trading bag, I'm just looking to have it sitting on the side and have my orders in at a half a penny. Right now you're just under a penny. So all right, Doge. What's amazing is that some people, our mind is, we think about Theta was at $16 and we're down to $1 on it, and nobody would have thought it would have went below 8. And so never. One thing I've learned through these ups and downs through 2018 is that these markets can go low. You can lose 90%, and then it come right back up. 6 months later, it comes up. This market moves a lot faster in the buying market than it does in the selling market. It takes a long time for it to come down, but it'll come down a long way. So just something to keep in mind. Alright, so here we have the 2142, the 200 on Doge. Mr. Elon Musk coin, when he talks, it usually moves a good bit. 4 hours below 50. The dailies are below 50, so we got selling pressure on that too. And Divi, here we go, 2142, so you're just below that. You're sitting at 30 on the 4-hour RSI, below the 50 on the daily. Downward pressure. Polka dot, here we go, polka dot, yep, sitting right at the 30 line on the 4-hour, so that's looking to be a sell. Here you have Ethereum Classic above, below the 21, the 200, and the 42. We have a little mixed going on here, so this one might not come down too much more, but you never know. Like I said, you want to plan the trade and trade the plan. So alright, so here we got Ethereum, another big coin, right? So Ethereum, let's see what we have. We have 21, the 42, and the now 200 day. So here we are in the down market here too. So, and we're below the 30 on the 4-hour. So this one could drop down pretty good. There's some people calling for crazy or not, 400 $500 Ethereum and it's at 1200, so that's 50% loss. But not trading advice, but if you were to sell right now, if you sold 2 Ethereum, you could get 4 Ethereum for that if you set your orders right, so just some things to think about. Don't ever say it can't go down more than it is, because definitely learned that. So alright, so here we have Electroneum, that's below, that's a sell. Here we got Phantom. Alright, so that's below the 30, way below the 30. We're down to 18 on that one. Hedera, another ISO 222, which is the new banking system. I've been through that before. These new banks that are having new regulations for the ISO, International Standardization. So here we could put this one at about 25% in, because we're above the 21, but we're not quite above the 42. So maybe we just maintain a 50% on that. And then IOTA, another ISO 222, new banking system, new banking regulation. Here we're below the 21, so we'd be selling this one. Alright, let's go to Litecoin. Here we have another one down to 21, 42 below, and we got the way down here at the 34 and below the 50 on the daily, so looking to sell that one. Alright, here's a mixed one, Matic, Polygon. So we're above the 21, below the 42, so, and we're below the 50, and we're right here at the 37. So this right here would be a 50%, because we're not quite crossed that line yet of that 21 to sell everything. So we're just, alright, Omisi Go, OMG, way below. Look at that, way down here. We're down to 20 on that one, so on the 4 hour, so we're looking to sell that one too. Not too many buys right now, but good buying opportunities if that's what you should choose to do. Not investing advice, just letting you know. Get your order set. Alright, so here we go. Quantum, another ISO 222 coin. Alright, this is above the 21, the 42, the 200. It's about the only coin that is right now in a strict buying. Here you got Shiba New. There's below the 30s. This is a sell. Here we got Theta. Let's see, Theta, USDT. That's a sell. Alright, here you got VeChain. Alright, China's looking big into VeChain, so watch VeChain. Veracity, people call it different things, so here it's below the 21. Alright, XDC mainnet. Here we have just above, so this one would be at 50%. We don't go to 100% till I go above the 200. That's just me. Do what you gotta do, but it's just like I said, just ideas that was able for me to be able to leave my job after 17 years, like I said in the beginning of the video. Alright, so that's the video for today. That's the market sentiment, and we'll see you on the next one.